Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Roblox error code 403. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. If you are also facing the error code in your Roblox 403, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Guys, the first method is you have to restart your PC or laptop and check whether your problem is fixed or not. Mostly after restarting your PC, the problem will be resolved automatically. After that, still you are facing the issue, then you have to check whether your internet connection is working properly or not. Just open any browser and search if your internet is connected or not. You can open any YouTube or google.com and check whether it is working or not. If it is working properly, then you just need to click on start menu, then type here control panel. Click on control panel, click on network and internet, click on network and sharing center, click on change adapter setting. Here you have to select through which you have connected the internet. If you are connected through Wi-Fi, you have to select this one, or if you are connected through LAN cable, you have to select this option. I am connected through Wi-Fi, so I will select Wi-Fi, right click on that and click on properties. You can see here internet protocol version for TCP/IP4. Double click on that. Select use the following DNS server address. Here you need to type 8.8.8.8. Second, you can see alternate DNS server. In this you need to type 8.8.4.4. Eight dot 8.4.4 and click OK and click OK. After mentioning this DNS, check whether your problem is resolved or not. After doing, still you are facing the issue, then you have to uninstall and reinstall your Roblox. For that, you just need to click on this start menu, click on settings, click on apps and features, then search for Roblox. Just click on this three dot and click on uninstall, and click on uninstall, and the Roblox will be uninstalled. Then you have to visit Roblox official website, and click on download now. You can see the Roblox player installer has been downloaded. Just click on this to install and wait for some time to complete this installation process. After completion of this installation, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Roblox error code 403. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.